Got the hiccups? I've never seen this before. Is that why you're so full of it this morning? You are just hilarious. Oh, you shit.